A quick addition to the compiling part. So sometimes if you are, for example, in contact with developers, they give you on GitHub, they give you specific branches you should test with some bug fixes or whatnot. So they give you a specific branch. In my case, for example, one issue I posted here, Bruno told me to test out this branch. So on the side you can see which changes were made in the code, and you would need the complete SHA for this branch. So you can, in this line, you can copy the full and imagine after cloning the source files just before building and compiling, just after the step of cloning the files, you would hop into this folder called Vimix and type in the command git checkout. So it would look like this: git checkout, and then the complete SHA of the branch. So copy this and just copy it here and press enter. So just because I did it a few minutes ago, didn't turn my microphone on, so this is why I'm doing it again. You will get a bit more of an output in your terminal, telling you some, telling you what is happening. But basically that's it. After that step, you could go back to the normal process of of building and compiling. Yeah, so have a look at the part where it is done. Have a nice one.